Hello, I want us to look at a paper that is Mathematics, Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, paper 2, that is 1995. And the first question we have identified to consider here is question 2. This particular question is tested in form 2. So 2x minus y, solve the simultaneous equations. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Then x squared minus xy is equal to minus 4. That is 4 marks. So these are simultaneous equations. We can either solve using substitution method, elimination method, or graphical method. But in this case, we are going to use substitution method. So let's dive in and see what the solution looks like. Well, the solution is now we are asked to solve the simultaneous equations 2x minus y is equal to 3 and x squared minus xy is equal to minus 4. And that should be 4 marks. Yeah. So first of all, what we need to do in finding the solution, what we need to do is know that if 2x minus y is equal to 3, that should mean that minus y is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 2x. And therefore y is 2x minus 3. Y is 2x minus 3. Therefore y is 2x minus 3. So we substitute where there is y in the second equation, because this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what we do is that in the second equation, wherever there is y here, now we put this. So x squared minus x into 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 4. If you expand this, it's x squared minus 2x squared, x squared minus 2x squared plus 3x is equal to plus 4 is equal to 0. I've brought for this end. So x squared minus 2x squared is minus x squared plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So I want to divide each term by negative so that I have x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I'm looking for two numbers whose product is 1, product is negative 4, whose product is negative 4, product is negative 4, and sum is negative 3. So that should be x squared plus x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So that this plus this gives me that. Factorizing x, I get x plus 1 minus 4 inside here, then I get x minus is equal to 0. This implies that x, it's either x plus 1 or x minus 4. It's either, just a minute, I'm here. If I factorize, then that will be x plus 1 minus, then this is 4, minus 4. So for me to get a minus here, this has to be a plus. So that minus 4 times positive 1 gives you minus 4. Yeah. So it is x plus 1 here. So x plus 1 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So it implies, that should then imply that either this or this is 0. Therefore, x is either -1 or x is 4. There are only two possible values of x. Either it's -1 or 4. So what is y? What is y? For x is equal to -1, y will be, because we said y will now be 2x minus 3. That's what we said, y is 2x minus 3. So we substitute -1 here. So it will be -2 minus 3, which will be -5. -5. Now for x is equal to 4, we now have y is equal to 2x minus 3. So substituting 4 here, that's 8 minus 3, which is 5. Therefore, if you try to figure out these points, there are 2 points along the line and can be represented in terms of position vectors. And so the first point I have is -1, -5, and the second point is 4, 5. So those are the answers. Those are the 2 answers that were required. So up to there, we meet in my next video.